Banyak sekali kenangan indah yang kita punya selama kita di sekolah. Mulai dari bermain bersama teman-teman dan masih banyak lagi. Dan tentunya di antara kenangan-kenangan itu pasti ada satu kenangan yang paling luar biasa yang pernah kita alami. Apalagi jika kita berada di kelas 2 SMA yang merupakan masa-masa paling mengasyikkan.
Crazy things I used to do, and all the pain I put you through. Mama, now I'm here for you. For all the times I made you cry, the days I told you lies. Now it's time for you to rise. For all the things you sacrificed. Oh, if I could turn back time, rewind. If I could make it undone. Kinda crying loud, the breeze is sounding sad. Oh no, tell me, when did we become so cold and empty inside? Lost the way a long time ago. Did we really turn that blind? We don't. I see the player you mean. It is reading our thoughts as though they were words on a screen. They used to hear voices before players could read. Sometimes disturbing, sometimes beautiful indeed. Does it know that we love it?